Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a selfie using Doogee S96. So in order to do this, let's open our camera. From here, make sure that you're in a photo mode. Change to the front camera right here. Now make sure that your camera catches your entire face and simply click on the shutter. Do multiple copies of your face. Now let's check them out. And that's how you take a selfie. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.